Good day and welcome to Channel 2 News, bringing you tech news daily. I am your host, Trista Simon, and today we will be conducting an interview with a member from the Foxconn company. For those of you who are unaware, Foxconn, or Hon Technology Group, is one of the world's largest technology manufacturers. It was founded in 1974 and was actually founded right here in Taiwan. They are known for manufacturing, assembling, and designing components for companies such as Apple with their iPhone, Nintendo systems, Kindles, and much more. Today, our interview will be targeting the issues they face and how they plan to resolve those issues. So our interviewee today will be Miss Afsa, and we have a few questions for her. Good day and welcome to our interview. Our first question, what are the main challenges caused by the visibility gaps in Foxconn's current supply chain?
First, I would like to thank Trisha for the opportunity to answer this question in the interview. So, based on what she asked me, which is what are the main challenges caused by the visibility gaps in Foxconn current supply chain. So there's actually four challenges that we as a Foxconn currently face. First is slow detection of disruptions, limited insight into lower tier suppliers, delay identification of shortage, quality issue, or production delays. Second is inefficient demand planning. Lack of real-time end-to-end data increases forecast error and strengthen the bullwhip effect, leading to overstocking or material shortage. Third, which is weaker risk control. So incomplete visibility reduce the ability to quickly respond to geopolitical logistic and compliance risks across its global network. Fourth, higher operational cost, which fragmented information flow forces reliance on safety stock and reduce overall supply chain's efficiency. So overall, these visibility gaps reduce responsiveness, accuracy, and resilience in Foxconn operation.
Okay, and how does the proposed AI solution using IBM Sterling SCIS improve Foxconn supply chain operations?
IBM Sterling SCIS improved Foxconn supply chain by providing real-time visibility and AI-driven analytics. It helps identify disruption early, also improve forecasting accuracy and optimize inventory management. Also enables faster response to risk. As a result, Foxconn can make more informed decisions, reduce operational inefficiencies, and build a more resilient supply chain. Yes, thank you.
Okay, knowing this, why was the IBM Sterling SCIS selected over SAP, Ariba, and Oracle SCM?
For the next question, IBM Sterling SCIS was selected because it combines real-time supply chain visibility with AI-powered analytics and risk management in a single platform. So compared to many traditional supply chain systems, it provides predictive insights, early disruption detection, and end-to-end visibility across supplier, manufacturing, and logistic operation. These capabilities makes it particularly suitable for complex global supply chains like Foxconn's, helping improve decision-making, efficiency, and resilience.
Okay. So considering the three-tier AI tech architecture, can you explain the three tiers of the AI architecture and how they work together?
Yeah, sure. So, three Three-tier AI architecture consists of the data layer, intelligent layer, and application layer. So data layer collects and integrates data from suppliers, factories, warehouse, and logistic partners. It serves as a foundation by providing accuracy, real-time information, and next is intelligent layer. So in intelligent layer, this is where AI and analytics process data. The system identifies pattern and predict disruption and forecast the demand and generate action insights. The last thing is application layer. So application layer present the insight to manager through dashboard alerts and decision support tools. It enable them to take appropriate action. How they work together is the data layers gather information, the intelligent layers analyze it and then generate prediction, and the application layer delivers those insights to users. Together, they create a combination which is a continuous flow of data, decision making that improve visibility, efficiency, and supply chain resilience. Thank you.
How does the detailed Foxconn AI architecture support real-time decision-making across the supply chain?
Okay, so Foxconn AI architecture supports real-time decision-making by connecting three key layers. First, data is continuously collected from suppliers, factories, warehouse, and logistic partners. Then, the AI layers analyze this information in real time to identify potential disruption and predict demand fluctuation and detect risk before they become major issues. Finally, these insights are displayed through dashboard and alerts, allowing managers to take immediate action. For example, if a supplier is expected to deliver components late, the AI system can detect the risk early and notifies managers. They can then adjust um, production schedule or source materials from alternative suppliers before operation are affected. So by turning real-time data into actionable insights, the architecture helps Foxconn make faster and smarter and more predictive decision across its entire supply chains.
What is your company's proposed implementation timeline as opposed to being deployed all at once?
So the proposed implementation is not deployed all at once. Instead, it follows a phase and incremental timeline. So first, it starts with a pilot phase where the AI system is tested on a select product line or region to validate data integration and model accuracy. And next is a gradual rollout phase where the solution is expanded to more supplier factories and logistic partner based on performance results. And then finally, it moves into full-scale deployment and continuous optimization where the system is refined and scaled across the entire supply chain. So this step-by-step approach can reduce risk, ensure system stability, and allows Foxconn to adjust the solution based on real world feedback.
What are the biggest risks to this transformation project and how will Foxconn mitigate them?
Okay, so the main risk for Foxconn's transformation are data quality and integration issues. So inconsistent supplier data can affect AI accuracy, mitigated by standardization and phased onboarding. Cybersecurity risks. So increased data sharing, raise exposure managed through encryption and strict access control. And it can change resistance. So supplier and staff may resist new system, reduce throughout training and gradual rollout. So AI reliability risk. So prediction may not always perfect, but it can be handled with continuous model improvement and human oversight. So overall risks are managed through phased deployment and strong governance and continuous monitoring.
Okay, so having been said this, what financial improvements can be expected from implementing the AI-driven supply chain?
So by implementing an AI-driven supply chain, Foxconn can expect several key financial improvement, which is a lower inventory cost through better demand forecasting and reduced safety stocks. Reduce operational costs by improving planning efficiency and minimizing disruption. Fewer stock out and excess inventory, which improve revenue stability and cash flow, and better asset utilization increase overall production efficiency and return on assets. So in short, AI improve financial performance by reducing waste, optimizing inventory, and making operation more cost efficient and predictable.
Thank you for answering our questions and coming to this interview. We really appreciate the time you've taken out to inform us on the different things that we can expect from Foxconn in the future.
Thank you so much for Teresa as well for the opportunity for Foxconn to answer all your question.
You're welcome, Afsa. Thank you for allowing us to interview you. And in conclusion, just to summarize all that you've said, we can realize that the AI-driven supply chain delivers measurable efficiency, and we can expect some resilience and sustainability. And with IBM Sterling SCIS integration, we can expect Foxconn to lead the next era of intelligent manufacturing. By Q4 2027, full deployment will transform vision into scalability reality, and this initiative is not just a technology upgrade, it is a strategic transformation that secures Foxconn's leadership in global manufacturing. So we are looking forward to seeing this in the future. We thank you, our viewers, for tuning in, and hope to see you on the next episode.